Silent Venus presents one-piece Upflush toilet with Macerator built into the base. This is a modern-shaped, self-contained toilet with several purposes in mind. There's no construction needed, so you won't risk any possible structural damage to your property. Install a bathroom in a basement, at the bottom of a slope, or anywhere you want. 16 feet vertically and 164 feet horizontally discharge. Installation process. For the installation process, please follow the video instruction. Step 1. First, we give you the option to position the flush button on the side that you like. It's very simple and practical. You need to disconnect the cables as we show on the screen and then loosen the screw. Take out the button with the cable. Then you put the cable through the hole on the other side, tighten the screw, then connect the cables. There's no way to make a wrong connection because of the type of connector. And that's it. Step 2. We should now position the toilet and fix it to the ground. You mark the spots on the ground where the holes need to be. Be sure that the marks are in line and the distance between them needs to be 15 centimeters, 6 inches. Use the appropriate drill to make holes in the ground. The drill is 10 millimeters, 0.39 inches diameter. You'll need 2 holes. Then, the white toilet holders should be fixed to the floor, as it's shown on the video. Now, it's time for the toilet to be positioned so the white holders are inside. With the 2 big screws, we fix the toilet in place from both sides. For an awesome look, we put the nice chrome tops on the screws. With these, the toilet is fixed to the ground. Step 3. Now we connect the toilet with the existing water supply. One end of the hose is connected to the water supply and the other to the toilet. The end of the hose is made with rubber, so it makes a good connection. You can additionally make it stronger with pliers. Step 4. Now, let's connect the rubber hose for discharging. With the provided metal clamp, put the pipe for discharging into the rubber hose and tighten the clamp. This connection is perfect and very strong. And with this, the installation process is done, and it is ready to be connected with electricity. Our products have a 1-year warranty from date of purchase. Visit our website to purchase the item and learn more about our products. www.thesilentvenus.com. With Silent Venus, build your bathroom virtually anywhere. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.